Hi everyone, I'm hitting the ceiling. Hi everyone, it's me Caitlin and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I just kind of wanted to share with you what happened today, why I'm here at the park like decompressing after what just happened. Let's get into it. This thing is gonna catch fire. I was not trying to get a blowout for free, trying to disconnect the battery as fast as possible. If I wanted to get to the battery to make this safe and not just catch fire, I would have to remove all of this police equipment, the front seat, everything. Then when I finally got there, do you know what I saw? Okay, I'm switching the camera around. I don't know. The sun was in my eyes and I felt like it was making me look like I was two different people. I know you guys probably don't care, but basically, so yeah, it's a Monday, it's another day in the shop, and one of the customers came to me like thinking something was wrong with their power steering. So I was like, okay, let's go figure it out. I get in the car and I go to start it and nothing's happening. There's not even like any lights coming on. So yeah, I just got a jump pack and was gonna start it and it ran, but as soon as I turned it on, I heard the weirdest like screechy noise that I'd ever heard. But you know, I was feeling brave. Like I was feeling like one of those people like in those scary movies who just inspects it. You're like, no, don't even inspect it, like just shut it off, you know. But I was like, nah, I want to see what's going on, you know. So I left it running and I ran around to the front of the engine and popped the hood and inspected. The alternator was absolutely moving in way too many directions. It was finished. It was cooked like dinner, like it was done. So yeah. So I bolted back to the driver's seat just to turn it off as fast as I could. I didn't even want to pull it into the shop at that point because I was like, you know, overthinking a bit, like, but also like reasonably valid, I guess. I was just like, what if this pops off or flies off and like disrupts and disturbs and breaks literally everything else? I'm just not trying to pull it into the shop like this. So I didn't. The car didn't start, obviously, because the alternator was draining all of the battery's energy, just completely depleting it. Like, those batteries are probably also cooked as well. But then, like, I kept thinking about it and I was like, what if inside the alternator, like, power is touching the ground? Like, what if this thing is gonna catch fire? Like, at this point, it's actually, like, dangerous. Like, it could catch on fire. And I was not trying to get a blowout for free. I was, like, rushing. I was like, we need to disconnect this battery as fast as possible. I was trying to disconnect the battery as fast as possible, but by the way, this was on a police car. And police cars have a lot of obnoxious random equipment, okay? If I wanted to get to the battery to make this safe and not spontaneously just catch fire, that meant that I would have to remove all of this police equipment, the front seat, everything. And so yeah, while I was doing that, I was like, okay, well, what if it just catches fire right now? Like I was saying, like when the person inspects, like the audience is always thinking like, don't do it, you know? Like this could happen, this could go wrong. And that's what I was thinking. I was like, this is gonna catch fire like as soon as you like even do anything, and then you're just gonna turn into a firework like Katy Perry said or whatever. But I was not trying to do that. I was not trying to get a blowout for free. I was just kind of like, let's just get this done, like you're being silly. But then when I finally got there, do you know what I saw? Cheerios. Yes, Cheerios. Cheerios, like the cereal? Yeah, cereal, Cheerios. And when I finally get there, just Cheerios. Cheerios and other things that I don't want to describe. Just chilling. Just living there. Just, like, honestly thriving. You know? I don't know, that's a cop for ya. That's a cop for ya. I don't know what else to say, but I do have to let you know every police car that I ever have worked on has been like that. Cheerios. Just unbothered, you know. Anyways, I'm fine. The alternator is not.